Hi guys, welcome back to Just a Sister Thing. I'm Rebecca and I am reviewing the November BoxyCharm. I just want to let you know that I lost my little card that tells you what the month theme is, the description of the product, the price of the product. So I had to go online and I put it all into my little notebook here so I can get through the video. And by the way, my sister Kala, she made this for me. It's kind of, I think they call them junk journals. She's the crafty one in my family. If you have seen her videos, you know what I'm talking about. But she made this for me because I really love like Asian decorating and stuff like that. And this is kind of like an Asian wallpaper. And I told her I wanted it to be mostly just, you know, like a journal that I can write in and put my plans in. So she put little like Asian houses and what do you call it, architecture. I'm obviously not sophisticated enough for this journal. And then like in the front she has like a pocket here for me, more like Asian writing. Just beautiful. I'm sure she would be describing this a lot better than I am right now. But I love that she put in the middle too these beautiful inserts like of paintings and stuff like that of just nature. Look at that. Like, how cool is that? She's so creative. She always comes up with the coolest stuff. So this is what I put my hopes and dreams, and sometimes I'll put like my future videos I want to do for YouTube, my goals for the new year, all that good stuff. But just really beautiful. That's what the front looks like. And then it has this little buckle here, and I got my little bookmark. So I just wanted to show you that. I know this has nothing to do with BoxyCharm, but it's just so cool. And I appreciate everything she does for me. So just wanted to show you guys that. And let's get started on the BoxyCharm unboxing. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing in the box is a little bit of skincare. It is this Beauty Bio Bright Eyes. This is a depuffing and brightening eye gel pack. I think there's a box of 8 pairs. Okay, this retails for $28. Let's see. You do get quite a bit in here. Okay, so this says it has colloidal silver, which helps reduce visible puffiness and fine lines. Has pearl, which helps the eyes instantly appear brighter. Collagen to help tighten them. And aloe, which is supposed to be soothing and diminish puffiness. You're supposed to put these on for about 10 minutes. I already have my skincare on, but I didn't really do much with my under eye area. I have a feeling these are going to be messy. Oh, did one, oops, one's stuck in there. Are they both stuck in there? Okay, here we go. Let's see. It does feel very cooling. This one tore a little bit. Did I put that one on wrong? I think I did that one wrong. All right. Oops. Ay, ay, ay. Am I gonna get this right? I don't know. Okay. I don't know. I'm assuming I have this on right. So I'm just gonna leave this on for about 10 minutes and we shall see what it looks like. There's a little bit of, oh geez. Okay. When I say a little bit, I mean a lot of stuff that comes out. So we'll just put that under there too. There we go. That's messy. It doesn't really smell like anything though, which is a good thing. All right, it's been about 12 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and take these off here. And go ahead and throw them away. Gonna blend that in. It feels very nourishing. So I'm going to do some before and after pictures and see if they look any, my under eyes look any different. All right, so the next things I have is pretty much stuff I would use after I put my face makeup on and after I put my eyeshadow on. So I will be right back. All right, I'm back. I went ahead and threw on some shadow from this Naked Urban Decay Heat palette. I've never bought any of the Urban Decay Naked palettes. They're kind of pricey. So I snagged this from my niece and I used this one here. This is called Ashes. And I use that on my lid. And then I used these two here, it's Chaser and Sauced, to kind of blend it into the crease. I will say this is a very nice palette. I would probably buy one of the palettes now that I've tried it. They blend really nice, they have good pigment. So thank you to my niece for loaning this to me to try. Next in the box, I have this REALHER Metallic Eyeliner Duo. This retails for $30. So there's two liners in here. Okay, so one it looks like a bronze. The other one is blue. The blue one is called I Am Creative. And the bronze one is called I Am Resilient. Little hair there. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the bronze one on my upper lid and see if it shows up. It might not show up over the dark brown, but we'll try it. Oh, here, I'll swatch them for you guys too. They do have a little bit of metallic in them. All right, let's try this on the lid. Let me try the blue in the inner rim. That shows up really nice. I think what I'll do is I'll use this right below it. Okay, I feel like I really had to fight with the bronze one. The blue one is actually very nice though. So out of the two, I would use the blue one again. This might work better like as an eyeshadow base, you know, smudge it onto your eyelids, but I'm not real thrilled with it as an eyeliner. I'm going to throw some of this ColourPop Basic Instinct color on top of my lid and throw some mascara on, and I will be right back. Okay, let's go ahead and put some bronzer and blush and highlight on. I'm going to be doing that with this Ofra Midi face palette, or is it Midi? I'm not quite sure. But this was my November choice. I'll go ahead and show you what my options were. I chose this one in light, and the colors are Key West, Star Island, and Isla Morada. I'm sorry, Isla Morada. This retails for $35. I've used a couple of Ofra's products, and just recently in one of my videos I used this blush palette, which I thought was very, well, actually it wasn't a palette, it's just a blush. This was in Mai Tai. It was very pretty, Has a magnetic close on it. So I would say I've tried like 1 or 2 of their products, and what I have tried I've really liked. All right, this is what it looks like. Has a mirror inside. I think this cooler tone one is meant for contouring. This one is a bronzer. It looks like it might have a little bit of shimmer. And this is the highlighter. The highlighter is called Star Island. I'll go ahead and swatch these so you can see what they look like. And I'm also going to do a before and after. A lot of people in my family ask me, like, why do you bronze? Why do you contour? I only contour on, I don't know, special occasions when I want to look chiseled, I guess. Contouring is when you create kind of like shadows in your bone structure in your face to help make your nose look a little bit thinner, shorter, your cheekbones higher. And I would describe highlighter, not highlighter, I would describe bronzer as something that we use to basically show where the sun would hit your skin. It's like a natural tan or natural flush of color. So I'm going to do a before and after shot and put side by side so you can see it does make a difference. I think it really helps me out because my skin is so pale. And when I put foundation on, you can see it kind of makes it look like just a flat surface. And I think that bronzing alone really helps bring out dimension. So let's get started. This is a really nice palette. I do see a lot of kick up when I put my brush in there, but I think it's really pretty. I thought this would have too much shimmer in it, but it really doesn't. Their Ofra highlighters are ridiculous. Like, you can see them from outer space. They're just really beautiful, and they make for nice inner corner highlights. So this is definitely an A+ for me. Okay, next in the palette is this CIATE London, which is one of my favorite brands. This is their Velvet Lip Liner, and this is in, where is it? Cocoa. So I don't know if I've tried any of their lip liners before, so I'm pretty excited about that. Looks like a nice nude color, kind of. Let's see how it translates here. I always have lip balm on, so I just want to take that off. I think the other thing in my box is lip glosses, so I'm going to go ahead and put this all over my lip. Just so I have a little bit of color under the lip glosses. This is going on very nice. It's a nice neutral shade. Yeah, that's definitely pretty. CIATE London never disappoints me. I'm not sure if I said it, but this retails for $18. And next I have this hydrating lip balm by Luna Magic. I don't think I've ever tried Luna Magic before. This retails for $16. It has mango and cherry in it. Pretty neat. So I'm going to go ahead and just swatch them, see if they have any color. Oh my goodness, they're really thick. Smell a little bit of mango. Okay, so cherry has a little bit more color. Oh yeah, you can really smell the cherry one. And then here's mango. Kind of like a sheer, wow, they're so thick. It's almost like, what is that called? Vaseline. It's almost like Vaseline. So since the cherry one has just a little bit more color to it, I'm going to use that. It seemed a little bit less thick too. Oh my goodness, it smells good. Ooh. Okay, so I was worried about it being like Vaseline. But it's actually very smooth. It's really nice. My one sister gets really bad chapped lips, so maybe I'll take her up this mango one, see if she wants to try that. She's always looking for a good chapstick. I really like that. All right, guys, that's it for my BoxyCharm unboxing. As always, stay to the end for before and afters, and I will tell you how much everything cost, retail versus what I paid for the subscription box. As usual, have a very good week. We're going into Thanksgiving week, so I'm getting ready to upload my fall candle video as well, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you in the next video.